Ever find yourself wishing for more hours in the day? We're dishing out the ultimate time-saving kitchen hacks that'll have you cooking like a pro with time to spare. Prep power. Picture this. You, in control, with all your ingredients prepped and ready to dance into culinary perfection. That's the power of prepping ahead. And mastering the art of kitchen preparation not only refines culinary skills, while also serving as a valuable time-saving asset in the kitchen. High-tech helpers. Time-saving tools are your kitchen's best friends. Say hello to the food processor, blender, and mandolin. The dream team that'll have you slicing, dicing, and blending like a kitchen maestro. Air fryer magic. Now, let's talk about a game changer in the kitchen, the air fryer. Say goodbye to waiting for the oven to preheat. With the air fryer, you can crisp up your favorites in minutes. It's like having a personal chef that knows the golden ratio for perfect crunchiness. One-pot wonders. And speaking of speed, one-pot and sheet pan wonders are here to save the day. Less cleanup, more time to savor your culinary victories. Batch cooking brilliance. Now, let's talk about the genius of batch cooking. Cook once, feast twice. And don't sleep on the convenience of pre-cut veggies and frozen treasures. They're your kitchen allies in the race against the clock. Instant Pot sorcery. Enter the Instant Pot, your kitchen's time-traveling device. Soups, stews, and more at warp speed. It's like having your own kitchen superhero. Microwave marvels. The microwave's got some tricks up its sleeve too. From steaming veggies to reviving leftovers, it's the unsung hero of quick and easy cooking. Kitchen efficiency. Organize like a pro, cook with similar ingredients, and clean as you go. Efficiency is the name of the game in our flavor-packed universe. And there you have it, the keys to unlocking a kitchen that defines not just flavors but time. What's your go-to time-saving hack, and how do you rock your air fryer? Drop it in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation. Until next time, keep defining your kitchen greatness.